Your chat isn't just small talk, it's a live feed of what your fans really want. Every time someone types oil, heels, or feet, they're telling you exactly what excites them. The smartest models know how to read these signals and turn them into tips. But here's the problem: catching patterns in a busy room isn't easy. That's where StreamerSuite comes in. Our keyword tracking tool scans your chat in real time, surfaces the most mentioned terms, and helps you turn those requests into rewards. Instead of guessing what will make your audience spend, you'll know exactly what to offer. Update your tip menu with confidence and create shows that feel tailor made for your fans. More engagement, more loyalty, more income, all by listening closer with less effort. Stop leaving money on the table. Visit StreamerSuite.com.